for quick updates, and that one is for that was from the right there from the Rocky Mountain Train Pro, and something else. Anyway, update again. I moved out after June because it gave me outdoor nightmares, but right there it doesn't give me nightmares. I don't know why. Maybe that's when I'm gonna turn it. I'm gonna go sit by Larry. Larry likes this couch. You can see him. Hi, Larry. So he has been littering everything, so we're gonna get something. I might do an update about that. So now I'm just gonna end the video with the thing. Until next time, Stan Hotel video coming up soon. Unless you've not seen this video. That's a quick. And he's taking a shower. As it can flip this. He's taking. And now I'm gonna end it. Thank you for watching and bye. Do 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 do. No, 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 no. Oh, that's noisy. Bye.